Let's make a quick and easy plant-based confetti coleslaw. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and we are going to jump right into making this super delicious, nutritious salad or coleslaw. So it's called confetti coleslaw. I wonder if you can guess why. Look at all of these beautiful colors, and when you see all of these colors so fresh and vibrant, you know it's really good for you. It's packed full of nutrients. We're going to start with our cabbages. I have a red cabbage and green cabbage. There's 3 cups of each that I diced pretty small because you want it like coleslaw, right? Or like confetti, little teeny pieces, right? So we're going to dump that in our bowl first. Then I have 1 orange bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. This is completely up to you. You could use a yellow one and a green one. I just like this because these are the 2 colors that I want represented, because we already have purple. We have kind of light green, orange, red, green, yellow. We're just getting all the colors in there. So this is 1 pepper each for each color. Then I have 2 cobs of corn, and this is fresh sweet corn. And I stress, really, it's best if you get the sweet corn in the store right now that's on the cob and just cut it off of the cob. If you use freezer type of corn, when it defrosts, it lets go of too much of the moisture, and it's going to make your salad a little bit soggy maybe the next day that it's in the refrigerator. So fresh is best. Sprinkle that on there. And then I have some green onions or spring onions that I just cut the green parts off. I left the white on the bottom to use for another recipe. We just want that green for all of that wonderful color. All right, so now that we have this all in the bowl, I'm going to get my dressing ingredients and we're going to whip that up real quick. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. Plus, Complement is completely transparent about ingredient sourcing and third-party testing, publishing the results directly on their website. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. Okay, now on to this dressing. So I have 1/3 cup of cashews. Alternatively, you could use 1/3 cup of cooked cauliflower or almonds. They work also. 2 deglette dates, just for a hint of sweetness. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon of white miso, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 cup of water. And I also have a teaspoon of dill weed here, but we're going to mix that in after this is mixed up. I like to see the little pieces. I don't like to grind them up for the flavor. So now we're just going to mix this up until it's super, super creamy. Okay. Creamy and delicious. All right, so now all we have to do is just pour it on there. Make sure we get all of that out of the container. Okay, and then we sprinkle our dill weed, and this is dill weed, not dill seed. Okay, and then we just toss it. This is such a great salad, super quick and easy. It'll last for about up to a week in the refrigerator in an airtight container. And it just, you know, as the day after you make it and the day after that, the flavor just keeps seeping into those vegetables. And it's really, really delicious. Super refreshing for these super hot days right now. All right, if you want to come in and take a look at that vibrant salad, look at all those beautiful colors. Oh, so healthy. All right, I'm gonna grab a bowl and a fork and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, time to dig in. I just love this coleslaw. This has become my daily lunch for about the last week or so. Super zesty, refreshing for this hot summer. You're gonna love it. Come on back next week for another great recipe.